now. I need you to bring you and all your homeboys over. Yeah. Oh shit. We got Loyalty, man, getting a haircut, man. He doing the fade right? Is he doing the fade right? Oh, okay. Okay, he love that gas pedal. Blackjack, I beat this money, Carlo.
Hey, y'all come on, man. Y'all come on, man.
I got... Who's a? Let's see. On Twitch, Rastafari Man. Okay. Let me see. Subaru, yeah, they been changing the lighting up here at Yello Belly, man. Trying to get the lighting together. Trying to burn them down. Yeah, I gave Lacey Blur, she got the, I hooked up with Happy today. So she should be on the show, on the Limpy show soon, y'all. Oh yeah, Limpy. Is it a problem? I want to put that, the little piece of live that I was on your channel, I want to put that on my channel. Is that cool or? I need to make sure. I want everybody to know I was on your channel. That way I could probably get some new subscribers. I'm gonna say, yeah, man, I was on Limpy channel. You know Limpy? Oh yeah, dude, fucking Limpy's a badass, man. He's like the fucking king of street races. He invented cash days. Dude, you're on this freaking channel? Yeah, I'm on this channel. Oh yeah, I'm gonna subscribe now for sure, dude. I fucking love Limpy. Yeah, hell it out. Yeah, we're gonna put that on there. Hey, Limpy, let Lookout put that part of your channel on his page so he can get some more subscribers. Yeah, I think that'll work. Yeah, Limpy said he can use it. Shouldn't be no problem since Limpy said it. Limpy a bad motherfucker, y'all. Hey, man. You know Limpy. What's going on in there? His shift ain't working. Hey, man. Get this bad motherfucker. His shifter done came apart. His shifter came apart. Hey, man. Hey, man. Get a tow truck for this bad motherfucker, man. Look out. Look out. Hey, you know Limpy.
Me?
Limpy.
No.
You don't know Limpy?
I don't.
That's a bad motherfucker, man.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know who that is.
He invented cash
Real
days.
talk, but Limpy put it down from a man Lookout.
Yeah.
They were talking about some
I don't know who
bullshit.
it is.
Yeah.
I got it, 'cause she don't know the
Oh, she don't know.
But Limpy put it down for you, bro. 'Cause
Yeah.
You don't mean it's Lookout till I die. You know
Yeah, they been looking out for me. I sure appreciate.
Hey, like and share, motherfucker. And if you really like it, hit that little fucking shit where you give my man some money, you know?
Yeah. That's when you really liking it right there. Ooh, we small block. Okay. Fully built.
The rear end gears, bro. Those gears.
Yeah.
Whatever. I don't know the ratio.
Merc Mercado. Hey, Merc Mercado. Damn, this a bad motherfucker right here, man. Ooh-wee. Okay, he finna dry hop hills over there. I know him. Okay, he walk over there right now. side, but I'm scared to go over that side. Oh, okay, he walked in front. Oh, I can make it. Oh, okay, here we go. I made it. Roger Enrico said 1K on lookout. Hey, Cherry Warrior girl. We done got Cherry Warrior to come over here. Hey, look out, when any of my TikTokers come over here from TikTok, y'all make sure y'all let me know so I can give you a shout out. Look out, look out. We got Dave Cortez, he's from Florida. What? Okay, where y'all going? Little baby is in the, I got a little baby. I got a little baby on TikTok. Hey, little baby, come over here to my YouTube. Damn, he got that juice over here, y'all. Ooh, he got a cam in that bitch. Hey, Jackie girl, where Jackie at? Yeah, he like that. Oh, that bitch cut off out all that. They were supposed to stay running right there. Yeah, I got Streamlabs in 1080p. Request him. Jackie Cadillo said hi, hey. Who the fuck is that with that damn Honda? Oh, he got a fire down there and everything. Is that Sunshine? Ashley Larry. Oh, Jackie Cedillo, there you go. Hey. Well, it's taking a long time to get this one out.